Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to download videos from TikTok to your phone without the watermark. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go to TikTok and select a video. So here you click copy link at the bottom right below the save. Then once the link is copied, you leave the app. Next, you go to your Safari or your Chrome depending on your device, and then come here and search snaptik.com or snaptik.app. Once you do that, it should bring you here, and then click on paste right beside the search bar. Once you do that, click on download, and then all the download options should pop up. Click on download, and then this should automatically pop up. Click on download again, and the video should automatically download to your device. Once you do that, you can click here at the corner and then click save video. Once you do that, go to your camera roll, and then the video should automatically be there. As you can see, there is no watermark on the entire video. Even at the end, the TikTok logo is not there, that little icon. So yeah, that's the whole video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.